Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. To begin, I will say that the crypto community is reluctant to celebrate Ripple's monumental victory over the SEC. That's so absurd it's laughable. Recent federal district court verdict partially sided with Ripple versus the SEC. Reddit says she isn't quite ready to go on the "we are so backed" bandwagon. Contrary to the claims of Polygon Laboratories, the company's chief legal and policy officer has expressed cautious optimism, stating that she believes that the regulatory climate for the cryptocurrency business is beginning to move in a positive direction. The big victory certainly calls for a party. So you're worried about Gary Gensler being corrupt? After waiting 2.5 years for the outcome of this litigation, XRP investors now have some answers. And what do we face in the crypto realm? Nothing but laughs and cynical predictions of a tremendous appeal, right? As for XRP, we finally have some answers. What else is huge, by the way? Considering that Brad Garland House spent $200 million to defend the crypto industry in this dispute. And yet, there are a surprising number of people who are ungrateful. Guess what? The SEC would still be shaking down business after business on a daily basis if Ripple hadn't done this. Increasing the intensity of supervision. Get over it, this is a huge victory, invest in XRP or fall behind. In the end, that's all there is to it. I find it annoying that this is still a common practice among so many individuals nowadays. The Bitcoin maxis aren't the only ones affected, other people are, too. The SEC claimed the court's decision that XRP is not a security was made in error, and it appears to be contemplating an appeal. I already talked about how long that appeal will take in a different video. In what state do you envision XRP being in a few years? Waiting at a significantly higher cost? In a few decades, when we're both retired and living comfortably off our investments? Where do you imagine we'll be? According to Mark Cuban, the SEC considers every buyer to be an investor. Let me preface this by saying that I don't always agree with Mark Cuban. But I agree with this Cuban problem that the SEC is claiming, as Ripple made plain in its recent victory against the Commission, that not all customers are investors and that prominent American securities have only one objective: to become security. Cuban thinks it's strange that individuals invest in cryptocurrencies on either regulated or unregulated markets. Cuban said that the token's utility could be seen in transactions recorded on the blockchain. What's more, there are a lot of new retail investors coming into crypto right now, which is fantastic. It's a great time to put money into the market. Cryptocurrencies with a clear practical application are much safer bets than the more speculative ones of yesteryear. Things have changed considerably now. You take some cash and put it into an endeavor that deals with global currency exchanges, or trading, or whatever the case may be. And then, after waiting patiently, you get enormous rewards from your initial investment. And if you invest well, you could be able to retire early, complete ambitious projects, and see XRP soar to $43.70 or $200, respectively. I've noticed an uptick in XRP price forecasts recently, and I attribute it to the renewed interest in the cryptocurrency's fortunes that has persisted despite the bear market. What a difference a generation makes. Now, I'm referring to well-known analysts who are often correct in their predictions that XRP's price will rise dramatically. Then, out of nowhere, a leading banker has predicted that retail investors will be shut out of the XRP market if its price does not rise. The retail sector will be priced out of XRP at some time. You should put money away immediately. Its true worth remains a mystery, but for now it's worth less than $1. And as it was designed to facilitate global monetary transactions, tokenization is inevitable and will eventually drive up the price. But if you wait too long, the cost will become prohibitive. There are people who have been on the fence about investing in XRP, and I've been telling them for a very long time that now is the moment. However, that legal battle has not been resolved. Look what occurred. I decided to wait until the final litigation was settled before buying XRP, which is currently trading at roughly 80 cents. And some people keep asking, well, now what's the appeal? I'm going to watch the developments with that. They will find any reason not to purchase XRP. Unfortunately, they will be the first to say, I wish I would have listened to you once XRP takes off and you achieve financial independence. I'm going to ask whether I can borrow some money from you in the next line. Only joking. However, that is exactly what is happening. Now is the time to join or forever mourn your missed opportunity. The crypto market is in chaos. Gemini pokes fun at him. The relisting of XRP is imminent. Therefore, the exchange said on July 13 that it was considering adding XRP to its platform for spot and derivatives trading. In light of the recent judgment in favor of Ripple, this is an intriguing new lead. When asked if Gemini planned to relist the cryptocurrency, the company's official Twitter account replied with a thinking face emoji. On the other hand, Cameron Winklevoss, co-founder and CEO of Gemini, recently voiced optimism in Bitcoin accumulation and suggested that the exchange relist XRP. He claims that the recent rush of spot Bitcoin ETF filings marked the beginning of the huge accumulation of Bitcoin. Are we clear that you enjoy Bitcoin? Okay, I get it. So, why not re-enlist? The potential for profit with XRP is far more than with Bitcoin. Instance, I talk a lot about XRP, but I'm not only focused on XRP. This is why people need to quit being fixated on a single cryptocurrency. I'm not just interested in Bitcoin, XLM, XDC, and the rest of the crypto space hold my attention as well. Gemini should relist XRP. Bitcoin maxis are running scared, but against the superior cryptocurrency XRP, many Bitcoin maxis are giving XRP free housing. Their level of consideration is astounding. The reason they're considering XRP is because you know what's coming. It's only a question of time. In the crypto market, XRP will soon be at the top. When it happens, Bitcoin's value will plummet rapidly. Those retail investors who listen to the maxis should be watched to see how quickly they abandon Bitcoin. Someone recently inquired about the 15th of August. Here we have it, 44 countries eager to join the BRICS and adopt its currency. On Thursday, the South African ambassador confirmed to Reuters that the BRICS is accepting both formal and informal applications from countries interested in joining the alliance. The number of countries expressing interest in joining the BRICS alliance is growing, and an equal number of countries are ready to accept the BRICS currency for global trade. And that's exactly what's going to take place on August 15th. In addition, they want to make an announcement or comment on their plans to create a digital currency backed by gold to challenge the US dollar. But as that occurs, I anticipate a decline in DXY. And when it crashes, the stock market and cryptocurrency prices will start to soar. This keeps reoccurring. Here on top, you can see Bitcoin rising when the DXY falls, but it's not the only asset exhibiting this trend. All of cryptography is included. This is why I believe that XRP may be the next major catalyst. CTO of Ripple, David Schwartz, warns about bogus site offering 100 million XRP. Before David Schwartz called attention to the airdrop scam, it was Johnny Deaton. It's trending on crypto Twitter like wildfire. You also shouldn't be falling for these fake links. Lacking any airdrop of XRP in any way. Furthermore, I keep hearing folks remark, I just lost my crypto, which is something I hear all the time. Don't click on links or engage the bots on this channel's comments, you know what to do. Keep your cryptocurrency away from scammers, as they are everywhere. This is something I have repeated many times. Following this success with the SEC, rumors of an IPO for the next company are rising. The IPO of the Ripple network has been called the next major trigger. Some have speculated that the settlement, scheduled to take place in the next several months, is to blame. It makes some sense that the settlement would return us to the complete period I discussed in earlier episodes. Events in the actual world tend to occur around the same time, but it doesn't mean we can't speculate. Basically, anything could happen right now to cause XRP to suddenly spike in price. But you know, yesterday I did a video And it was kind of a reassuring video to let you know that just because we didn't hit $10 in 24 hours after XRP received clarity doesn't mean that we're not going upward. We are absolutely going to explode at some time. The moment for patience and concentration has come. Perhaps now is the time to begin making plans for how you intend to spend any future XRP earnings. Nevertheless, the key to success here is patience. Along the way, I'll keep demonstrating how XRP on-demand liquidity corridors are springing up all over the world and how the Ripple network continues to expand. The only news that matters right now is good news. Now that things are more clear, it's time to rejoice XRP. That's all I have to say about that, so I'll end this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.